In this video, we will learn how to change the ringtone of a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. In market, there are several colors of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus are available, but for any colors of Tab, the process is exactly same as I'm showing here. So to change the ringtone, first slide from top like this way, and then tap the gear icon here. So tap gear icon. Then you can see sound option here, so click sound. Now here you can see ringtone, so click ringtone, and here you can see a lot of ringtone. Here you can see a lot of ringtone, and you can pick your favorite one. Suppose I want to pick this one, so if we just pick this one, it would be my new ringtone. And from here you can change the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thanks for watching.